And student of class 8th. In previous video we were discussing physical feature of Asia. So now one by one we will take the topic. The first division of Asia, that is your northern lowland. See this map. This your northern lowland. See here, this is your northern lowland. So the northern lowland are located in the northern part of Asia, bordering the Arctic Ocean. See this map. See, you can see. They extend from the Ural Mountains in the west to the Bering Sea in the east. And they are wide in west and narrow in the east. This is the characteristic. And they have two distinct regions, important regions. That is, one is your Siberian plain and other one is your Turan plain. So the Siberian plain is the largest continuous plain in the world. It is formed by the deposition of slit brought by the north flowing rivers such as Ob, the Yensi and the Lena, and these river originate from the highland and the mountain of Central Asia. This is about your northern lowland. The lowland area around the Aral Sea is called the Turan plain. See here, this is your Turan plain. See, this region is drained by the river of Amudarya and the Sirdarya, rivers which flow into the inland Aral Sea. This part of Asia is a region of inland drainage. So I think you have understood it. The northern lowland, where it is located, the two important features, Siberian plain and Turan plain, and the important rivers flowing in this northern lowland. I think you have got it. Next is the central highland. See this map? In this map, see the central highland. See, the central highland are an extensive belt of mountain and plateau which lie to the south of the northern lowland. And this belt run across the continent from west to east. And the center of this mountain system is the Pamir Knot. See in this map, this is your Pamir Knot. Here, you can see here, a number of young fold mountain ranges radiate in all directions from the Pamir Knot. See here, from all directions, the mountain region radiates from here. And these mountains ranges enclose high plateau and desert basin. See in this picture, the Gobi is a cold desert which is spread over southern Mongolia and northern China. This is also found in here. Toward the southeast of the Pamir Knot are the Great Himalayan. See here, this is your Great Himalayan range and the Karakoram mountains. Toward the northeast lie of the Tin Shan mountain. See here, this is your Tin Shan mountains. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world, and the Mount Everest, of course, you all know, highest peak in the world in the Himalayas. So this is the Gobi desert is toward the northeast of the plateau of Tibet. Okay. Now in the northeastern part of the central highland, there is a broken chain of ancient fold mountains. The Hindu Kush mountain lie to the west of the Pamir Knot. This is your Hindu Kush mountain. See here. And two groups of mountain ranges are toward the west of the Hindu Kush. The northern group form the Elbrus mountain and the southern group form the Zagros mountain. And the plateau of Iran lies between the Elbrus and the Zagros mountain. So this is all about the central highland. In next video we will discuss the next physical division of Asia. So thank you student for attending. Thank you very much.